the Wilderness Bowie build. Stick around. Alright guys, thank you very much. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to be building this knife. This is the Wilderness Bowie. It is 50-100, so that's ball bearing steel. I only have a couple of these left, so if you're interested, go to 3riverblades.com. Order it now. I'm not making any more once they're done. You got about a 7.5 inch blade. Really nice handle, very ergonomic. This happens to be in gun blue. Alright, the customer wanted gun blue because it's carbon steel. You can gun blue this knife. There's also a bunch of other options up there if you're interested. Alright, so it does come with a really nice Kydex sheath. You decide how you want to attach it to yourself, to your kit, that kind of thing. Really nice, good to go design. It also has a lanyard hole. I usually use black linen micarta. As you can see here, black linen micarta is really nice, and the customer did request that I do a saber grind. I don't always do a saber grind. Some people want saber, convex. There are now options up there for this knife. So what I need you guys to do for me is to like, subscribe, share this video, put some comments down below if you want to keep doing this. I really appreciate all your support. Also become a Patreon member. I'll put the links down below. Check out my other channels as well. And of course, if you shop on Amazon, I have Amazon links down there as well. So for Three River Blades, this is an iconic piece of kit, cutlery, knives. I carry one of these in the field all the time. It does a lot of camp chores. It can do a lot of cooking chores. It could also hack limbs and all kinds of great stuff. And it's also a really good knife if you're going to go pig hunting or bear hunting. I would definitely carry one of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kick this video off so you can watch how I make this, and I'll see you in a few. Alright guys, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video on me making them. Again, if you really want one of these blades, I highly recommend that you order it now. All the specs and everything you need is on the website, threeriverblades.com. Check it out. Thank you very much guys, and as always, please stay safe.